What up, YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day in the United Kingdom. The weather's alright today. It's already getting dark and it is only 3:50. So I got a camera person with me today. My wife's holding the camera, Kelly Saunders. Watch out now. So I know it's been a while since I posted a video for you guys. I've been working Monday through Friday and it's just hard to get stuff done when I get off of work because it's dark at 4:30 when I get off of work. So today though, I definitely want to bring you guys back on the camera, and I got a little mini project I'm gonna do on the Hellcat charger. So what I got in this box today, or this package today, is some Puddle Lights. It's got the Hellcat emblem that goes underneath your driver door. I only got the front doors just because I wanted to see what it looks like, and if it looks good, then I'm gonna go ahead and order the back doors. So they say it's a pretty easy install. You pop out the old Puddle Lights with a flat tip screwdriver, and then you pop in these ones. Well, unplug it, plug these in, and then pop in another one. Pop these in. So let me go ahead and open these up real quick, show you guys what I got.
It's supposed to go black?
Yeah. Saves the battery. All right, so I got the Blast LED. So I've seen these on YouTube, of course, and I've seen some of the reviews on it. I think they're pretty good from what I've seen online. So I think I paid about 50 bucks for these. I don't need the website. Blast. I don't know. I don't even know the website. It's on the box. Oh, there. You're right. Camera guy, camera woman. This is the website I ordered from. They're not sponsoring by no means. I'm just showing you guys where I ordered them from. So blastled.com. It comes with the Puddle Lights here in the package. So there's two of them in there. I would assume that the ones I got was the Hellcat emblem, just the Hellcat emblem itself, in white color. So it should project through these little lenses here. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get you guys to the car and go ahead and get these installed. All right, guys, so I got my flat tip screwdriver. Got the LED lights right here. It's getting dark already, man, so let me go ahead and try to knock this out. So they said it's pretty simple install. So all you're gonna do is take your Phillips screwdriver right here. You better just pop this. Oh, damn! Pull the bulb out, but anyways, it worked. So what you do is so the bulb came out of the housing. It's hot. You want to go ahead and take this pin, push that pin. Let's see if I can do it while holding the camera. Yeah. Sorry guys if the camera looks kind of crazy. I'm trying to hold the camera and show you guys this at the same time. That pops right off, right? All right, so I'm gonna set that down. Let me go ahead and open up this package. All right, I'm gonna put the camera right here like this. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Set that down. So I unplugged it here. Open up this real fast. It should plug right into that switch. Pop that in. LED, it says left. So you have your left light, and then you have a right one. So obviously, passenger and driver. All I'm gonna go ahead and do is pop that right back in there. Boom, and it's done. So as you guys can see, it was pretty quick. You guys can look and see the Hellcat down there at the bottom. I'll show you guys when I get the other side on, and then as well, actually let's go ahead and knock out the other side real quick on camera. I live near a park, man, so all these kids are pretty loud out here. All right, let's go ahead and knock this one out as well. Put y'all guys down here. Show you how quick this install is. Boom, pull that one out. Say there's a tab here, you want to push that tab, pull the plug. There you go, too easy. Plug this one back in. All right, it's on. Pop that back in. There you go. All she wrote. Done deal. It took all but let's say maybe 30 seconds to pop in. So you guys can see the Hellcat demo. What I'll do is I'll show you guys what it looks like when it gets a little bit darker. But all in all, man, I think it came out nice. I think it looks good. That's gonna conclude the video today of the Charger. I got them installed. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of that B-roll once it gets a little darker, what it actually looks like in the dark. But anyways, I think it looks good. Actually, let me get my wife's opinion. What you got? Let me see what her opinion is. All right, let's see what she says. What she thinks.
It's cute.
Huh? It's cute. It can't be cute.
I'm just kidding. No, it looks good. Yeah.
So I was thinking I should get the rear ones with the SRT on them because there's another one that has the SRT at the bottom.
What about the Jeep?
I don't know. Do they have them for the Jeep? Anyway, we'll look on the site and see if they have them for the Jeep. They may have them. They may not. I'm not sure. If you guys know where I can find some for the Jeep SRT, let me know. I think they got the SRT model ones. I don't know if they're going to be the same like these because these are pretty easy to pop in, pop out. See? So I'll look online tonight. We'll see what we can get.
Yeah.
And see if they have them for the Jeep because she wants them because I have them, right?
No. I don't want things because you got them. I want them because I want them.
Looks cool?
Yeah, I like it.
All right, cool. So, yeah, give you guys some of this B-roll. I appreciate you guys.
Hi, Bash.
Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're just tuning in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment below. And that's going to end the video today. I got to go to the where? Where are we going? To the grocery store. Get some stuff from Sainsbury's. But all right, guys. I'm out.
Ldubbeats, bring that heat, boy.